guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this gold cranberry warm smoky eye. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, we have a huge giveaway at the end of every single month. And we ship a full-on box of makeup to one of our subscribers. So if you want to be entered for that, all you have to do is give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below to be automatically entered. But please only enter if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only for the time being. So jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and then I set it with some translucent powder. I like to use concealer, but you can go ahead and use whatever you like. So first I'm using my ABH Norvina Volume 2 Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I'll leave the exact name of this palette down below, but I just grabbed the light salmon shade first with this big fluffy brush, and I'm just applying this into my crease as my transition color, and I am winging out that outer edge because we are going to be doing a cat eye shape for this look. Next, I'm going into this angled brush and this brown shade here in the palette. It looks brown, but when you blend it out, it kind of looks a little bit on the purple side. But nonetheless, I think that those shades mixed together are absolutely stunning. You guys will see how the colors come together in the next few clips. But I'm just drawing this line of definition into my crease and winging out that outer corner. And like I've said in previous tutorials, I like to start in this very center and then just wing out that outer corner, kind of like you're doing a winged liner. And then I'm going to be going into this small tapered brush and the orange shade in the palette, and this is what I'm going to use to blend out that brown shadow, just going in left and right motions, really diffusing that line and adding a nice gradient. So I definitely felt like I wanted to build some more depth to this look, so I'm going back into that angled brush and back into that dark brown shadow in the palette. And we're going to be going back into the same tapered brush and that same orange shade, and we're going to blend out that line once again. And this is my favorite way to build even more depth in a really nice and easy blended way. So once I feel like that crease is as blended as I want it to be, I'm going to go into this angled brush and some of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I'm just carving my lid, and I am carving that crease all the way out and just following that shape of that crease line. And then I'm going to be setting it with some translucent powder, and I like to just pack that translucent powder on with a brush like this. And then the next thing that I'm going to be doing is going into my Dose of Colors Block Party Shadow in the shade Heart of Gold. And this is probably my favorite single shadow at the moment. I actually use it on clients all the time, and it's definitely a favorite. So I do wet my brush with some Fix Plus, and then I just pack it onto the lid like so with a flat brush. And it's super beautiful. It's almost like a bronzy gold, and it has light gold flecks in it, so it kind of looks like you're wearing a glitter as well, but it's just a pressed pigment. And then I'm going back into that brown shade in the palette with this really small tapered brush, and I'm just diffusing that onto the outer edge just to give us a little bit more dimension. And I really like how wearable this look is. You can make it even more wearable by just rounding out that outer corner. But I personally love the cat eye shape. I think that it really elongates the eyes and it gives you a little bit more of a sultry look. So I'm just peeling off my tape, and I'm going to be applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. We actually have our Black Friday sale live on our website right now. So if you want to check that out, link will be in the description box down below. And then I'm going into another favorite product of mine. This is the Urban Decay Double Life eyeliner, and it's just a really bronzy brown shade. And then I'm keeping it super simple for the lower lash line. Just going into that light salmon shade that we first applied in the crease, and then going into that brown shadow in the same palette, and just kind of applying that with this angled brush. And then I'm going to be blending the two together, and then I'm going to be going into my Madlash mascara by The Balm and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using my Pixie Beauty Gilded Light Highlighter. And then that'll be it for this look. I think that it will look beautiful on all eye colors and all skin tones. I think that this eye look is really suitable for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope that oh my god, I can't speak, that you guys liked it. And yeah, we are continuing our daily uploads, so go ahead and check out our channel and keep checking, because we are going to be uploading every single day until this year is over. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!